Esperar. Esperar. What does this mean? Esperar. This is a verb, just a verb. It has multiple meanings in Spanish. But today we will focus on one meaning. Esperar means to hold on. To hold on. Espera, espera, hold on. Esperar can mean quite a few things. It could mean to wait, to hope, or to expect. So this is a very, very good Spanish verb, and you need to add it to your Spanish vocabulary. Esperar can also mean to hold on. So let's talk about this specific meaning of the verb esperar. Let's look at some examples using esperar when it means to hold on. The first example is: espera un momento. Espera un momento. This is a very, very useful that you can use all the time in Spanish. This means hold on a moment. That's the literal translation, but it's also very similar to saying hold on a second. You know, just hold on, just wait. That's the meaning of this sentence. Let's break it down. Espera. Espera. You can use espera just by itself. You can just say espera to someone, and that means hold on. Hold on. Okay? Easy breezy. Now, if you want to make it polite, because right now it's a bit informal, but if you want to be more formal, you can say espere. Espere. You can say espere, and that is a formal way to say hold on. But if you are, with your friends, with family, then you can just say espera, espera. So this is a bit more informal. Espera means hold on. Espere also means hold on. But I told you the difference. This is formal and the other one is informal. This one right here, espera. Now, let's continue. Un means a. Momento. Momento means moment. This is another easy word that you can remember because both words have almost the same spelling. Momento, moment. Momento is a noun and it's a masculine noun. El momento. Remember that. Right now we don't need to say el momento because you don't have to say el or la all the time in Spanish. And this is a great example that shows that. Now let's look at another example using esperar. Esperar. The next example is: espera. Olvidaste tu bolso. Espera. Olvidaste tu bolso. This means hold on. You forgot your purse. Espera. Again, we're using espera. Espera is a common thing to say. It's almost like an expression that means hold on. But this comes from the verb esperar. I'll make some changes to this sentence so you can see that you can conjugate espera when talking to, for example, a group of people. Let's break this down first. Espera. Espera. Espera means hold on. Olvidaste. Olvidaste. This means you forgot. Olvidaste comes from the verb olvidar. Olvidar, which means to forget. When you say tú olvidaste, that means you forgot. You don't have to say tú. You can just say olvidaste, and that means you forgot, even though we don't have the personal pronoun tú. Isn't that interesting? Tú means your, and then we have bolso. Bolso means purse. Bolso. There's different ways to say bolso in Spanish. You can say bolsa, but bolsa can mean any kind of bag as well, but it also means purse. So either one, bolso or bolsa, can work. But now you know that bolsa can also mean bag. Also, something important to let you know is that bolso is popular in Spain and Argentina. Bolsa is common in Mexico, and as I said before, it can mean purse or bag. That's a very important difference. Now, let me change this a bit so you can see that esperar can be conjugated, and it can also mean hold on, even though it's conjugated for a different personal pronoun. You can say esperen, esperen, esperen. It can mean hold on or wait. Olvidaron, olvidaron su bolsa. We have to change this a bit. Olvidaron su bolsa. This means, hold on, you forgot your bag or your purse. But let's say we're talking about a bag, because bolsa can mean purse or bag, as I said before. So let's break this down. Esperen, ustedes esperen. That means hold on. It's a command. Esperen, hold on. Olvidaron, olvidaron. You forgot, but this is, you're saying this to a group of people. You, plural, okay? Su, your. Bolsa, bolsa, bag, okay? You can conjugate the verb esperar, and it can mean hold on, hold on. So that's it. Remember, esperar can mean to hold on. We can talk about the other meanings of esperar in the future. So if you like this lesson, please give it a like. Also subscribe. Share more examples using esperar. Adiós.